Hola muchachos, ¿cómo están? Mi nombre es Sandra.
They're not gonna know what you're saying.
¿No? Hey guys, my name is Sandra and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a HIIT workout to shed all that unwanted fat quickly. This will only take 16 minutes of your time. The day has 24 hours, so get those 16 minutes in. This video might be of value to one of your friends or to you, so like, subscribe, and share it because this really supports my channel and allows me to put out new content every week. Follow me on Instagram at HealthySoco for daily content. I'll leave that in the description below. I'm not doing this alone. I'm doing this with my good friend Jorge Mendieta. He is a drummer and he loves to stay in shape. If you want to see more content of Jorge Mendieta, his link is in the description below. I always thought it was much more fun to work out with others because they just push you to be better. So grab that partner and let's get started.
Looking for
the end of the video, but not of your workout. You have 2 more rounds to go, so rewind this video. Also, if you want to see me doing new recipes or other workouts, please leave your comment down below and I'll do that for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my channel, and like this video. Bye!